Disclaimer: this video is not for those who play for the #NoEstimates team. Now that we've warned you, let's talk about the estimation options in VivifyScrum. By default, VivifyScrum is showing the estimation on item cards as the relation between the business value that the item represents and the effort needed to complete it, called effort units in VivifyScrum. Let us break it down for you. If completing this item brings a lot of value to your business, it's an important item, so let's give it a value of 30. And if this item only takes 3 hours of work, its estimation will be 10. But if it takes more hours to be finished, let's say 10, its estimation will be 3. A high estimation means it brings more value to your business and it takes less time to complete the task. For the more common approach, you can turn off the value field on your board. Go to the Configure page, the Settings tab, and under Displaying Estimation on Item Cards section, check the box. Now you will only see the effort units on your items. If your team uses hours and not points as effort units, go back again to the Configure Board page and change the default setting. You can add your own custom unit. All you need to do is define the amount of time for each custom unit you enter. For example, you can use t-shirt sizes, XS, S, M, and so on. And let's say the size XS is 1 hour, the size S is 2 hours, and the size M is 4 hours. These custom units will be visible on your items and used in planning poker sessions. I estimate that we'll see each other pretty soon in another quick tips video.